you're going to need 8 feet of cord. If you buy one bundle of cord, which is called a hank, you should be able to make 2 bracelets out of the entire hank. Then you're going to connect the 2 ends of the 8 feet that you cut and make a loop. After that, take your right cord, wrap it around the loop you just made, and make sure you take the right end and put it through the little wrap. Tighten the knot securely, but make sure that the 2 ends of your cord are the same length as you tighten. Make sure the knot that you made is not too tight because you're going to need that loop to be able to slide. Here you're going to have your bracelet. Make sure that the string on the right is the string that changes the size of your loop. If you pull on that string, your loop should change size. After that, you're going to take your string on the left, and it shouldn't slide. You should make a loop with that string and insert it into your current loop. Pull the string on the right to tighten the previous loop. Then you're just going to keep going with that. You're going to take the side that doesn't change the size of your loop and make a loop with it. Insert it into your loop and change and then tighten the previous loop. You just keep going with that until you've finished your entire bracelet. And I'm going to keep going with that until I can show you how to close this bracelet. Here you're going to take the top of your bracelet and insert it into that beginning loop. Just like this. Then you're going to take your right string and insert it into that loop. Pull the opposite string to tighten that loop. Make sure your bracelet is able to slip on and off your wrist easily. because you're not going to be able to open and close this bracelet. Now you can just cut your ends, but make sure you leave around 1/8 of an inch so that you can leave room for your cord to burn. Now all you gotta do is burn your ends, but be very careful not to burn yourself or burn any other cord in the bracelet. I didn't think my ends were secure enough, so I got a small bead of E6000 glue and put just a drop underneath each of my burnt ends. I wouldn't use too much of this glue because you don't want it to be seen. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions down in the comments below, and I'll be back with another video soon.